Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Wednesday, January 1st at 8:15 in the morning. Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. Today we are continuing my work on the coloring book, and I thought we'd do a rabbit this time. And I started out with the face, and we're going to end with the face too, because once I got the rabbit drawn out and inked in, it looked too human. So I pulled out my light board, retraced the body of the rabbit and the plants and flowers and sun, because I was happy with those. I don't consider it cheating. I'm tracing my own drawing. So, but I forgot to turn the camera on when I redid the actual head. But you'll see that come here in a little bit. The flowers I really liked. The body there on the leg, that front forward leg, I changed the angle on it a little bit when I retraced it out. I wasn't too thrilled with it either. I really need to look at my picture carefully before I start inking it and make any design changes. It'll save a lot of time for me. I just was in too much of a hurry to start inking, and then I looked down. I was like, that looks kind of creepy, and it did look creepy. I like the clouds in this one. I like adding the birds in. Give whoever's going to be coloring it a little more options. For some detail in the picture. I'm hoping this all works out. So in creating a comic book, there's going to be a lot more drawings I have to do. I'm going to shoot for 35 single-sided pages. I know a lot of people are going to the acrylic markers. Those are really nice, and they don't bleed through. But there are a lot of people who can't afford those because they are a little more pricier. I got a set for my daughter for Christmas, and she's very, very thrilled with them. So there's my final drawing of human rabbit that I'm not going to use pretty much at all. So that's going to go in the trash. I don't get it confused. There's my new rabbit face. So yeah, I see a big difference. It looks a lot cuter, a lot less creepy, and yeah, it's just the other one's going bye-bye. So I'm showing you re-inking over my light board, as you can see there, behind it, and putting the fur in, and we're done. Final product. Hope you have a great day.